Hi, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today we're going to do money. So let's create sacred space and close eyes. And make sure your body feels very comfortable and supported, especially your back and your spine. And let's take a deep breath of the presence. Take a deep breath into the here and now. And on the exhale, just let go. Just let go of stuff. Come into the present now moment. Through the power of the breath. Take the breath up deep into the diaphragm, deep into the upper parts of the lungs. Slowly exhale and relaxing all the muscles in your face, your shoulder joints, fingers and toes. Letting go of the day, coming into this now moment. And we're going to move out of the world of form, out of the world as you know it, the old matrix. Imagine going through a beautiful stargate and into the unknown, into the higher dimensions of consciousness. And from there, from this place of within the unified field, going to create a new perspective regarding money. So you can now choose to see clairvoyantly, with your greater vision, money as an asset, as an ally, as a tool that you use to help bring transformation not only to the world, but to yourself, your family, your friends, and your peer group. That money, the symbology of money, the principle of money, is now your asset, is now one of your allies. It is one of your many tools that you use to further your spiritual growth and to complete your mission statement here on earth. Breathe into that knowing and that understanding that money is now a positive force in your life that you use in servicing the world and the planet. Now, coming back to your body very gently with this new awareness, this new understanding, this new capacity to now use money in helping to create your financial stability, your financial abundance, your financial prosperity, as well as your emotional and mental prosperity, your spiritual abundance. So when you're ready, come back to the body, slowly open the eyes, and remember to drink water. So have a very beautiful day. When you sign up for these joyful tune-ins, every Monday, you will, in an email, receive another joyful tune-in that you can use for that week as a reminder to stay on course, to stay on track, to stay on purpose. Great to see you again. Have a lovely day. Many blessings.